Oh, y'all pray for me. I'm gonna attempt to remove the driver's side CV axle on this 2016 Honda Civic here. Let's see if I'll be able to do that. First, let's get this tire off real quick. Does anybody know where I can find this ram center cover right there that I'm removing? I'm missing the one on the passenger side, and I would appreciate it. If you're watching my video, you know where I can buy this particular cover. Please let me know in the comments. Thank you. If you notice, there's a little bent right here. This is to prevent this from coming out, as you drive. So you have to kind of unbend it before you can actually take it out. All right, so next you're gonna remove those 3 screws right here. You see them? 1, 2, and 3.
I see it.
And then you remove this right over here.
Yellow and Z.
Yeah, this ain't gonna come out on its own. You gotta literally take it out. It took me over 30 minutes. That's crazy. Woo! Look at this. I had to show you this closer. Look. See? A lot of WD-40. And look how bad this thing is. Let me take it out so you can see. Okay. So I thought I was just gonna pull it out, right? It's right here. But nah. Yeah, it's right here. You see it's all wet and stuff. That's because I sprayed some WD-40 on it. Yeah. I've been struggling with it for like about 30 minutes too. So I'm gonna go buy some tools to see if that can help me with removing this right here. Yo, I was gonna go get the tools, but after I went under there, uh-oh. I only got part of it out. Yo, I am tripping. Yep, but look at it. This is the reason why I'm changing, because it was leaking. Okay. All right, so after what? It's been 2 weeks now. And a whole bunch of different tools, I finally got this part out. Like finally, Jesus Christ. This thing is hard. Hey, I don't care what anybody say, but this thing is hard. Yeah, I know this is not forward, but this is what helped me because I've been buying tools, bring them back because they never work. This works right there, so thank God for that. Let's see how we're gonna put the new one in. We'll be popping them fans. It is very important that you make sure you put it in properly, because if you don't do that, that can be very, very dangerous when you're trying to drive. Let me put this bolt back in. Don't forget to put this back on, that's important. And that is it, y'all. Now I have to go test drive the car to see how it goes. Again, I am no professional. I'm simply doing this, just showing you how I do, my experience with trying to learn how to do these things. And yeah, I welcome any comments, any suggestions. I welcome all of it because I'm here to learn, really, not to teach anybody anything. Because yeah, I am not a professional. So, thank you for watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and make sure you push the notification button. That way you don't miss any of my other videos. Again, thank you very much. See you on the next video. Bye bye.